How about earning $650 per day using Google alone? If you heed all of my instructions, you will receive $650 a day direct to your account. Imagine what you could buy with that kind of money. Because of this, I urge you to watch this video until the very end. Before you click off and try to figure things out on your own, follow every step. It's important to keep in mind that I will cover a lot in this article, including the registration process. Upon watching this video, you can put into practice the strategies I have taught you, and you will be amazed by how this brand new way will pay you back the $650 each day directly into your account after you have viewed it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to earn that $650 per day is to go to Google. As I previously stated, we will be using Google to earn money online. This is essential because this entire brand new method relies on Google to be successful. And earn that $650 per day. Now in the search bar, type in Google News and click on this one right here. When you click that link, you will be taken to this page where Google will show you all of the latest news and current events. Scroll down below to see a variety of articles from the various news sources, which will vary depending on where you're from. For example, as you can see here, you have this news article that was just uploaded recently, as well as this one that was just uploaded a few hours ago. If you want to read more, you can click any of them. On the left side, you will see a list of categories for new articles. And if you click one of those categories, more news articles about that category will be displayed. For example, if you click on the world news, you will see news articles from all over the world. If you click on a business, you will see business-related news. And if you click on the sports, you will see news articles about sports. For this video, you will go with the health category because it's very relevant in these times. So I want you to click on health right here and you will be shown news articles about health. As you might expect, the majority of news articles are all related to the pandemic. And as you scroll down, you'll see a lot of news articles. If you want to read any of them, simply click on that article. You don't have to copy the whole thing, just the important parts. This is a very important step because to make money, you need to have some original articles, which I will show you how to do later. So for this step, carefully choose the important parts of the article and copy them. After that, you will move on to the next step, which I want you to concentrate on because it's very important if you want to earn $650 per day. Okay, if you search for SpinBot on Google, you will find this one, spinbot.com article, Spinning Text Rewriting Content Creation Tool, which you should click on to get to this page. So what is SpinBot? Well, it's a free automatic article spinner that will rewrite the human readable text into additional intelligent readable text. This free article spinner is designed to rewrite sentences accurately. So when you paste your copied article here, SpinBot will rewrite the entire article to make it unique. Now all you have to do is paste the copied article into the box, and SpinBot will show you how many characters you have copied and how many characters you have left. Do not forget to check the box that says I'm human to continue with the writing process. As you can see, SpinBot has rewritten your duplicated articles into a new one that is unique and creative, which you can now use to earn those 650 points. I'll show you a step-by-step method and how to accomplish it. And I'll show you every step where you can use SpinBot to make money online in a moment. This step is important because I want you to make as much money as I did. Take a look at my earnings from using this strategy, and you can earn just like me if you keep watching this video. SpinBot is an amazing tool that allows us to rewrite any article into something unique. You can also look for other new articles aside from the health and copy the important parts, then paste them all here on SpinBot. Within seconds, you will have a fully rewritten article that is unique, and the best part is that it's free. The first website I'll show you is a textbroker.com, which is the go-to content writing service for a variety of projects. It is the proven platform to outsource content creation quickly and easily. Once you're on their homepage, click on I write content right here, and you will be redirected to this page, where you can see how much Textbroker pay their authors. As you can see, they pay this amount per word. You can check it out for yourself and read each of these carefully to get a good idea of how much they will pay. But don't worry, because you won't be writing anything, because we will be using SpinBot to earn money for Textbroker. All you have to do is to go back to Google News and find some good articles, then run them through SpinBot to create a unique article. If you want to see how much you can earn from this website, just scroll down a little bit and you'll see this earnings calculator. You can simply slide this button and you'll be able to see how much you can earn on this box. Let's see how much we can earn if we write 2,000 words. As you can see, they will pay $100 for every $2,000, and you don't even need to write anything because SpinBot will do all the work for you. All you have to do is copy and paste an article on SpinBot, and you will be able to earn money, which is pretty amazing right now. To start earning money from Text Broker, you must first create an account, which is completely free. All you have to do is click right here and you will be taken to this page where you simply need to fill in some information. And then click on this green button below to complete the sign-up process. Moving on to the next website where we can earn money. It's called iWriter.com. This is a website where people can come and have their articles written by other people. How it works is simple. First, you must create a free account on this website. Then you must choose what type of article or content you want to write. Once you have the article, you must submit it, and they will review it before paying you for the work you've done. It's quite simple. You might be wondering how much money you will make writing articles. Well, on this pricing page, you can see that they have 4 levels of writing: Standard, Premium, Elite. And Elite Plus, when you scroll down below, you can see how much they will pay you per word. As you can see, the highest payment is $435 for a 6,000 word article, which we both know is a very simple thing to do using SpinBot. Another website where you can make money is scripted.com. Right on the homepage of their website, you can see hiring freelance writers to power your content marketing. This is similar to the 2 websites I showed you before, but the main difference is that this website pays more. You can get paid up to $1,300, and all you have to do is create a free account. One of the best things about this website is that they pay well. You can write about what you know. You can work with great companies, you can build your portfolio, you can work from anywhere at any time. And they have excellent payment and project management. To create a free account on this website, simply click this button and fill out the required information in the boxes. To continue, click the blue button. You can do this every day and simply keep submitting articles to the websites I have specified. The earning potential on the method is substantial, so you should get started right immediately. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.